Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Welcome to our instructional video on how to batch print labels using the order system designed for those not utilizing a warehouse management system. Initially, if you lack a simple inventory management system like WMS, you can manage shipments directly through order processing. Before you begin printing labels through orders, you need to configure some essential settings. It's necessary to select and configure a merchant that does not integrate with WMS, which must be set up in the DI system. For shipping users, the system will automatically set up a default merchant initially. Further, you must configure other foundational information such as channels, mapping, and products. This setup enables you to pull orders from external sources into our order system. Additionally, configurations for the carrier, sender address, package, and printing are crucial to successfully print the labels you need. We provide additional videos explaining these setups, which you can find in our video catalog. Once you have completed these setups, you can select which orders you want to print labels for within the order system. In the order list, you can use a specific button to quickly filter all single unit orders. The status bar at the top also allows you to swiftly identify new, unprocessed orders, making it easier to manage and operate. For orders that involve only one unit and don't require repacking, simply select the order and use the Create Label option in the top right corner under Actions to print the label. After clicking, you'll get a quote. Once you confirm this, you can select a printer to print your label. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to batch print labels via order. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our extensive library of tutorial content.